Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix sound on any Android phone. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. Now as you can see, this is the settings page. So all what you have to do is go to sounds right here and then click on it and make sure that you can manage the media, the ringtone, the alarms and the calls from here, as you can see. And yeah, you can also scroll down and you will find some options that you can manage. For example, the do not disturb mode, make sure that it's in off mode and go back again, click on more sound settings like this and make sure that your settings are well here, as you can see. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.